All right, this will just be a very quick in reverse how I got every single piece to fit back into this box without pushing on the sides or bulging out of the top. So here we go in reverse. In a perfect world, I would have been able to store all the pieces in their alphabetical order and labeling, but I do plan to label at some point. I picked this up at Walmart, and then crayon box clear. That was just all the bosses, and some miscellaneous big pieces here. The life and experience tracker. This one's like slid up against the side here. And that was kind of in front of there. Now, mind you, this is all without using sleeves for the cards. So here we go with the tiles. This is, and placement's kind of important because if the tabs are facing this way, some things may not fit as well as others. So this is 1-1A and 1-2B. Oh, L3B. L2B. L1B. I think you get the picture. I don't think I need to call them all out by name. The Mind Thief. And that fit in there real nice. And you got this little guy hidden right here. This is a Plano 3500. bunch of pieces right here. Slipped where the Mine Thief and this guy was. I'm sorry if I don't know the name of all the components yet. And then there's this guy right here. Now, don't let it fool you though, because it actually fits in there real nice. It doesn't push the side out. None of the sides are being pushed out anywhere on this box. I'll take this guy out right here. And these are not getting smashed at all. They're separated. They're all separated by their by these guys. So all your archery guys are, you get the picture. What do you call these? The attack modifier cards, I guess that's what they're called. These are just laid back real nice. They're not getting bent or anything like that. There's the sleeves in the back. The other two, experience and life counters. And yeah, that's it. I only had to move around 2 of these, relocate it, and there you have it. Everything fits in 100% without sleeving. Thank you.